Hi, I'm Tom. I've got over a decade of experience making coffee professionally, and I'm here at AO at home to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make latte art at home. Latte art isn't actually about drawing on top of a coffee. It's about learning how these two different liquids interact with each other. So it's about controlling that process. We're also going to be covering how to extract good espresso, how to steam the milk properly, and then finally getting that pattern on top of our coffee. First up, we're going to be making our espresso. So we'll start by grabbing our portafilter and filling it up with finely ground coffee. Don't forget to give it a nice, firm, even temp. I'm using a double shot here, but that's personal preference. Now it's time to steam some milk. Right, so in this first stage, I'm looking for that tearing paper kind of noise. That is the sound of air being stretched into the milk. To do good latte art, you don't want to make that milk too foamy, because you're just going to have a hard time. Once it becomes too hot to hold your hand on the jug anymore, that's a sign that it's ready to stop steaming. So we're looking here for the texture of wet paint. Glossy, shiny, relatively thick, but not like clotted cream. We'll start by pouring from high. By pouring up high, gravity enables us to let that foam sink beneath the surface of the crema. Now I need to get my spout as close as I can to the surface of that coffee and tilt my jug and push it into the center. Now I've made my blob, I'm simply going to raise the jug and pull it through. And that has made a very simple heart. The heart should be the first pattern you attempt. It's the simplest, but from here we can go on to any pattern we like. But this is always the starting point. Get this foundation down and you'll be doing swans in no time.